Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the channel Weekend Work. Today, I will show you how to grow your brand's social media account in just 30 days. If you're new here on this channel, I focus on remote jobs, work from home platforms, and freelancer resources. I explore what it's really like to make money online. I will explain in detail why your brand needs to be on social media, the elements required in setting up your brand's social media accounts, the benefits of each social media platform for your brand or business, and how ManyChat can help you automate your social media management process. Let's begin. Elements for brand social media: the company logo as the profile picture, contact details like email, WhatsApp contact, and the website link, a brief description of your product offering, using words associated with a niche and optimize the description with keywords that will help attract your target audience. Content for a brand's social media. The post you create should include product images, short clips, and long videos of brand events or product demonstrations. When editing this content, know the tone that will work best with your target audience. For example, although it's appropriate for a fast fashion brand to have a playful tone associating its product with being youthful, fun, and fresh, it would be inappropriate for a financial services company to post content with that same tone. A financial services company should use a more serious tone that associates their brand with security and stability. Once you have your business social media page set up, you will notice people who are interested in the subject matter, for example, weight loss, travel, cooking, DIY renovations, will find your page. And if they connect with your brand and content, you will receive new followers or you will see engagements such as likes, reposts, and shares. At this stage, you should consider automation to help you manage your social media accounts. Marketing automation refers to the use of software to conduct repetitive tasks like predictable responses to questions and responses to requests. It allows a brand to personalize and standardize responses to predictable queries that your potential customers may have. Even if you hire a social media manager, a tool like ManyChat can help you deliver the right message to your followers and predetermine how you want to respond to queries, interest in the brand, and how to engage back and forth with potential customers instantly and automatically. I hope you're liking this video so far. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you're feeling generous, you can also buy me a coffee at the link below. ManyChat for Instagram. ManyChat is an official Meta partner and is approved for Instagram. Instagram is a social media app that rewards content that is visually appealing and vibrant. Instagram is also great for product discovery, and you can sell your product directly on Instagram shops. Approximately 44% of the audience on Instagram shops on their platforms weekly, and with an audience of 2 billion people, it is important for your brand to have a presence on this platform. With the help of ManyChat on Instagram, you will be able to turn Instagram comments into conversations that sell. Start conversations with your followers from comments, likes, and DM queries, and give them the information they need to buy your goods or services. Questions from followers like, "How much is this?" should generate an automatic response with the price of the items. See how easy it is to set up automatic responses on ManyChat. Other questions like, "Do you deliver in my neighborhood?" can also generate an automated response. If potential customers have access to information quickly and swiftly, they are more likely to follow up and complete a purchase. Social media management can be a tedious, time consuming task. Steal back your time, automate the grind so you can actually grow your business. Send links automatically to interested customers, directing them to your sales funnel where they can complete the purchase. You can also automate follow up messages that will be sent after the purchase and delivery for feedback and product reviews. ManyChat for WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a great platform built with a small business in mind. The audience on WhatsApp is at 2 billion users. WhatsApp is considered a more secure platform to do business because it is associated with an individual or company phone number, and all the messages on this platform are encrypted. WhatsApp is great for physical, area specific business. It allows you to talk your customers through the purchase process using chat features, sharing links to websites, and dropping pins to your location for pickup and delivery. You can also use automated responses to share product links, payment processes, and delivery timelines. Qualify your leads, focus on sales conversations, respond to questions, and encourage repeat business. Here is how you can automate your WhatsApp with ManyChat. Broadcast a message to your contact list. Set up a welcome message to customers confirming that they have reached the official brand's WhatsApp page. Automate frequently asked questions like product availability, price, and delivery options. Set up follow up messages after the sale is done to confirm the product has been received and send a link requesting a product review. Send a response outside of business hours, informing the customer of official business hours. ManyChat for Facebook Messenger. ManyChat is an official Meta business partner. Products and services can be sold directly on Facebook shops. Facebook is the second most popular platform for product discovery, second only to Instagram. With ManyChat, you can create answers to predictable, frequently asked questions. Create welcome messages when potential clients contact your brand's Facebook page. Never miss a sale again. Respond automatically to questions about price, links, and delivery timelines. ManyChat for TikTok. TikTok is the newest kid on the block when it comes to social media, but its impact is noteworthy for businesses and brands. The largest demographic on TikTok is users aged between 18 to 35. You may not be on TikTok for your personal use, but with 1.58 billion users on their platform, you want your brand to have a presence on TikTok. With more Gen Zs on TikTok, they tend to reward short form video clips that are energetic and fun. 16,000 videos are uploaded on TikTok every minute, but you can also upload images and text posts. Once you create your TikTok content, ManyChat can help you answer messages, lock down leads, and grow your email list from your TikTok followers. You can create a welcome message for all new followers and people who like and share your brand's content. This message will be generated automatically with engagement. You can also collect leads, create an email list and SMS list from your followers, and reply to comments on your posts. ManyChat AI features. With ManyChat, you can use AI by telling it your goals so that it can create the right flow for your automations. You can also ask ManyChat AI for advice on how to improve existing automation flows. ManyChat AI will also help you edit any draft in the ManyChat drag and drop builder. ManyChat AI has intent recognition. The ManyChat AI can help you with style ideas for marketing, simplified language you should use when posting to your audience, and any other custom task. AI for brand communication. The ManyChat AI can help you improve your written copy across automations so that you can ensure clear, engaging, and on brand communication across all your brand's social media accounts. Let's look at ManyChat's pricing. You can get started with a free plan on ManyChat for the first 30 days with no credit card required. Once you upgrade after 30 days, the paid Pro plan is based on your follower count, starting at $15 per month for 500 followers and increases based on how many followers you have. You can also get a plan customized based on your unique business needs. Use the free 30-day plan to build up your social media account and grow your following as you learn the flow that will work well with your audience. ManyChat is user friendly and intuitive to use, and the first 30 days will give you time to set up your brand's social media accounts. The three plans are free, Pro Plan, and Elite Custom Plan. Explore the pricing options at the link below. I hope this guide has helped you understand why your brand needs to be on social media, the elements required in setting up your brand's social media accounts, the benefits of each social media platform for your business or brand, and how ManyChat can help you automate your social media processes so you can reap more rewards with each platform. ManyChat gave me an affiliate link to share with my audience. You will get 30 days free at sign up with no credit card required. And once you sign up for a paid account, I will receive a commission. Thanks for using my link. By so doing, you will be supporting my work and showing appreciation for any information you are able to learn in this video that will help your brand thrive on social media. I wrote an even more detailed article on my blog on this topic. If you're looking for more depth on how to set up your social media for your brand, I will leave a link for you in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. You can also buy me a coffee using the link below. Thank you for all your support. After this video, I recommend you watch my last video, all about email marketing. That's it for now. Until next time.